Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P day trade setup for today. So Friday we ended up on the daily with a bit of a pin bar, second pin bar in a row, and as I said on Friday, what looking like at the moment is a move to the upside, and you can see we've got that at the moment. We do have a gap up right now, and we are heading back towards this area here. I suppose we're there already. And that is 2894. If we just start drilling down to the lower time frames, we shall see, actually we'll be able to just refine these levels. I'm just going to put another one in here. You can see this first level here of 2894 lines up pretty much with this previous swing high. We do have some more inside here with quite a bit of interaction with this next level, which is 2899. So let's just get that to the round number of 2900. Okay, so that's a zone that I'm expecting us to tag. Now, one thing that I do want to understand is whether that is a level I need to worry about. It's through the 61.8, so I don't really need to be concerned too much. As far as I'm concerned, this is a break. It's a gap up break, basically above the swing high here, and that is 2869. So I would expect a measured move here. Now that measured move should be something like that, back to that area there of 2918. If we get down to lower time frames, we'll start seeing that all these levels actually tie up with something. Okay, so firstly, we've got this breakout here. Okay, I would expect a pullback, and that pullback is going to give me some buying opportunities. Right now, this trend is to the upside. The bearish signal that's in play at the moment, it's not really concrete just yet, and that is going to be what could be a wedge forming. Okay, so these two levels here that we've got here, which is 2900, pretty much you can see there's 3 touches down here, another 3 on further to, or 4 further to the left. So that is going to be an area that I would expect some interaction. So what I would expect from there is a pullback, possibly even as far back as closing the gap, coming back to test the 150 EMA, and that is going to give me a signal for a long. Okay, so at this stage it does look like a wedge is starting. Not very strong. There's only been 4 touches, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I ignore the first 2, it's actually only 3 touches. But what could transpire here is we have a channel that forms. Anyway, pointless second guessing that until this bottom trend line breaks. Then you can start drawing those lines in and looking at it. For me at the moment, this has formed a lower low, come back, formed a higher low, and now we've formed a higher high. That is a confirmation of a bit of a trend change for me. And as I said last week and in my weekly video, probability of what we have going on right now is a move to top of range. Okay, so what does that mean for me? What I'd be looking for, you can see the oscillators are a little bit tight at the moment. I'm looking for a pullback. I have got a crossover here on the half hour. Look for that pullback as far back as this breakout here at 2869, possibly even back to the gap close. That would give me an opportunity to get long, and my stop is going to be below this fractal here at 2846. So 2845 would be my stop area. Okay, this trend line here is something we're going to have to pay attention to. If that does break, and I'm just going to have to put another level in here so we can just see that. If this breaks to the downside, you can see the swing low will coincide with the trend line. Then what I'm looking for is a break and a retest of this area. Okay, so I'm looking for a break and a close below 2846 and a retest of that area. That would get me short, and my short is pretty much only going to go to the bottom of the range. Okay, so that's a scenario for me at the moment, and see how messy we've actually got this with all these levels at the moment. We are still very much indecisive. Right now, trend is up on the lower time frames, so I'd want to be trading with the trend, and only till that trend changes. What do I actually mean by that? If we just get rid of all the noise, come to the 15, okay, that's the major levels that are in. But you can see moving average crossover here, bit of consolidation, break below the consolidation with a stop above it would have given you the trade. For as long as you're below the 150, it is short. A break above the 150, another break above the 150, get out of the trade. And you can see here on Friday we had a break below, break up, and then we sort of held it. So there was an entry late Friday, but not an entry that I would take anyway. And we are now in an upward trend. Okay, but pullbacks can happen. So as long as we're staying above the 150 at the moment, and I'm on the 15-minute today, I'm looking for longs. The minute that changes and we start going below the 150, then I'm looking for shorts. But in all honesty, I think there's a couple of patterns here as well. There is cup and handle, and there is also head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders here. So this final breakout here, and see if that holds. If that holds, then you've got an opportunity to get in long here with a stop below here. If it doesn't hold and it comes back to test this level, then that's what you have, and that will give you your measured move storm. Okay, anyway guys, that's it for me today. I'm expecting upside on the S&P, but I do expect us to be capped by the top of the range, and important that you have that top drawn in like that. Okay, so anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.